Disclaimer: the methods showed in this video are not related to fake Bitcoin Ponzi schemes or any bogus scheme. All of the method taught in this video is practically actionable and working for millions of people around the globe. How to profit massively online so that you can kickstart your online business in 2019. I'm going to be honest with you. This isn't a pipe dream. It isn't some fantasy which will never come true. It's not even some secret strategy that promises the ridiculous or makes claims that you'll be earning 7 figures by the end of the week. What you're about to discover is the real way that makes daily profits. And I'm going to show you, step by step, how you can do exactly the same. I remember, only too well, what it was like starting out. I remember when I first started and was in awe of the marketers who had made it. I wanted to be like them, but I hadn't got a clue how to get started. It all seemed so mysterious to me. Well, I purchased and downloaded a few training programs. And then I purchased some more. And, all too soon, my hard drive was littered with guides that I had thought would show me how to get started. Does that sound familiar? And I guess you've felt like this too. All I ended up with was feeling frustrated and overwhelmed by all the information that was being blasted at me. I realized that making money online is not a matter of pressing some mythical button and cash comes pouring in. The trouble was, nobody was actually showing me what to do. They were telling me I had to do all this complicated stuff. Building a blog, writing reviews, creating videos, distributing articles. Well, if you're feeling exactly the same, I don't blame you. Really, it's not your fault. Like me, you've probably been wishing and hoping that someone would just show you the simple way, the easy way of making money online. But nobody has, up until now. Well, today is your lucky day. Because I'm going to show you that simple system, that easy way of kick-starting your online career. I'm going to take you by the hand and show you each step that you need to take to start profiting big online. Starting from today. I've leave a link right below this video, where you'll learn all these things to make your first $2,000 to $3,000 a month. Make sure you check it.